All you need for this Ganesha Chaturthi post-it greeting is a blue and yellow or orange post-it, pink and blue markers or color pencils, a pencil and a metallic pen if you like. Let's start with the blue one. You pull one of them out, you fold it into threes. This is going to be your water, and it's kind of like an accordion style folding, and you open it up. You will see that there are two folds. So on the top half of the fold, you use a marker or color pencil if you like. I use a bit of paper underneath so I don't mark my table, even though it's very marked, and color that through. So this just gives it depth, so there's extra kind of color on the post-it. If I had two different kinds of blues, that would be amazing. Then the bottom half, fold it to the first fold. Does this make sense? And make waves. I try to not go wave to wave, and I leave a little bit of space so it's not really cutting the paper entirely. I do the same thing on the top. On the top, of course, you can do wave to wave. So because you really don't have anything on top of it. So it doesn't really need to join. Does that make sense? Then you take another blue post-it, and also, don't forget to see which side your sticky side is on. And you fold it to the bottom part of the non-sticky side of the blue one. And let's start on Ganesha. Divide your yellow or orange paper into 4 parts. Now this will just make it easier to draw. 1/2 of a cylinder, and the second part you draw 2 little U's, I think. So that's going to be the ears, inverted U's. The top half, we're going to make a crown, and I'm not going to tell you how to do the crown really, because it's absolutely up to you. You don't have to make it the way I'm drawing it. I just made it easy peasy. Now we do the inverted J for the trunk. Sorry, there was a little stop there because my son came into the picture. And draw the eyes on the line, just makes it very cute, the eyes and the ears. And I made the ears a little extended. And now we're going to draw the garland. Over here you can actually just draw beads if you want. You can just draw a necklace, and I made some decorations on the trunk and the forehead markings. Now to draw the hands, which you can completely exclude it, I did a circle, drew 2 lines on it, and 1 curve for the thumb. You again don't have to do this. Drew some bangles and some beads for a necklace. Then I just outline the whole thing in black, and I make the outer section a bit thicker so that when I cut it out, it's just easier. And I use the pink marker, make little embellishments with the pink and the gold pen. And then I cut out. I always move the paper as opposed to my hand, so it's just easier. Next thing, I'm going to show you how to assemble it, because the bottom of my Ganesha is not the sticky part, but rather the top, which is absolutely fine. Does this make sense? So what I'm going to do is I'll remove the whole thing out, and the top part sticks and the top half of my water sticks. So when you stick it together, it works perfectly fine. You can make some embellishment with gold if you like, or skip it out entirely. Absolutely up to you. And that's it. All ready for you to add on your door or give it to someone you love. Happy Ganesha Chaturthi!